Hi friends, I'm Manveer Singh Anand and I would like to thank the entire team of Amul for giving me this opportunity. जैसे कि आज का दिन है 15th August, it's one of the most important days as part of our our life as an Indian citizen. And आज के दिन पे for the fact that Amul has given me the opportunity, I'm more than happy. आज के सेशन में हम आपको बताएंगे एक बहुत ही easy और crisp way से how you can make a fettuccine pasta in your rosa sauce, जो मैं आपको भी हिस्ट्री सुनाऊंगा. बट जैसे मैंने बोला आपको कि आज के दिन का जो सेशन है 15th अगस्त का है, तो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी है आपके लिए एक नई रेसिपी सीखने का. ये कन्वेंशनल भी कह सकते हैं कई लोग, बट इसमें मेरा अपना एक ट्विस्ट रहेगा जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा आज. And most importantly, a quick bit about me. My name is Manveer Singh Anand. I am an entrepreneur in the F&B space. My company is called Night Gourmet. We have 3 local offices, Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. And we've been helping a lot of your larger sports leagues, a lot of corporate events, a lot of social events, do catering for their particular events. And like I said, I would like to thank my team for organizing this, with you guys, because जितना अमोल चाहता था ये सेशन करना, उतने उससे ज्यादा हम चाहते थे कि हम आपके साथ रूबरू हो पाएं और ये सब शेयर कर पाएं. आपने जो भी क्वेश्चंस है, प्लीज पुट दैट इन द चैट बॉक्स. आई विल आस्क माय कॉलीग behind the camera to just let me know if there's anything I can answer. But without delaying this further, I just quickly want to show you the ingredients here. So I have fettuccine pasta here. I have your tomato puree. I have your raw onions, your garlic, white pepper, basil, oregano, and so on and so forth. I have a lot of stuff, and my point is only one, that this is going to be a very interesting recipe. So that's why I just straight away get into the session. जहाँ मैं आपके शेयर करूँगा. पहली बात समझते हैं फेट्टूचिनी पास्ता. कई लोग इसको यूज नहीं करते, मार्केट में भी इजीली अवेलेबल है, बट आई वुड रिकमेंड यू टू गो फॉर द बेस्ट कंपनीज, बिकॉज ये इंपोर्टेड पास्ता जितना रहेगा उतनी ज्यादा टूटने में वो दिक्कत नहीं रहेगी आपको. तो व्हाट वी विल डू इज विल स्टार्ट ऑफ विद बॉइलिंग दिस पार्ट of the pasta, wherein which we'll add some water. We'll just add a bit of water to this, and we'll just quickly start off. इससे हमारे को कुछ समझ में आया कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये पास्ता होना, और हर पास्ता का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट यही होता है कि हम उसको अल्दांते कर पाए. पास्ता के जो हमारा ये रहता है, give me a minute. Okay, now let the water boil for a bit, because that's really important. क्योंकि सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये रहती है कि हमेशा पास्ता बॉइलिंग वाटर में जाना चाहिए है. एंड इसको थोड़ा सा हमने डाल दिया है, और अल्दांते जिसे कहते हैं. आप इसको पेनी के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं, किसी के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू फोकस ऑन ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एंड वाइल हमारा पानी गर्म हो रहा है, इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा एलिमेंट डालूंगा सॉल्ट का, विच इज देयर. आई विल जस्ट टेक सम सॉल्ट. लाइक आई सेड, आई एम यूजिंग माई, आज छुट्टी का दिन है, तो आज वी आर यूजिंग इट फ्रॉम आवर होम किचन इटसेल्फ. But it's always a pleasure doing this for Amul, and that's why I wanted to do this more specifically. Okay, while this is happening, let's just wait for the water to boil and so on and so forth. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. So let me just put some, quick this thing on top of this. Wait. Yep. So जैसे मैंने बोला आपको, थोड़ा सा आप इसमें नमक डाल लीजिए जिससे ये सलाइन हो जाए. सलाइन से पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होता है, दैट योर पास्ता बिकम्स मोर फ्लेवरफुल, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली जो इसकी कहते हैं ना ब्रेन कैपेसिटी होती है इसकी, वो बढ़ जाती है, जिससे क्या होता है दैट द कुकिंग प्रोसेस इंप्रूव्स दैट वे, एंड यू हैव अ मोर फ्लेवरफुल पास्ता ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. Alongside, I would just want to quickly start off with my sauce so that we don't waste out on a lot of time. Okay. So, like I said, while the pan is heating up, I just put some olive oil on top. I use extra virgin olive oil because that's the best thing to use as part of your cooking process, and it's very important. Little bit of, like I said, your and just ensure कि जो पूरे पास्ता पे ये चीज घूम जाए, जिससे क्या है कि पूरा पास्ता कवर होना चाहिए from all aspects. That's one of the most important elements. Which is there. Okay, very quickly. Okay, done. Now once the pasta is properly cleared, आप always start, and I always believe that one of the most important elements as part of your cooking process is कि आपका जो onion और garlic, ये दो चीजें हैं जो इन्फ्यूज हो ऑयल में बहुत तरीके से, बिकॉज अनियन गार्लिक से क्या होता है कि वो जो ऑयल है वो और फ्लेवरफुल बनता है मोटा मोटा. दैट इज द होल आइडिया. सो आई जस्ट पुट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अनियन ऑन टॉप. स्टार्ट ऑफ विद अनियन. ओके, लाइक आई सेड, इसको ज्यादा नहीं करना, नॉर्मल आंच पे रखना है, नॉर्मल आंच पे, एंड जस्ट लेट दैट यू नो क्विकली, थोड़ा सा मतलब सौते होने दीजिए इसको. ठीक है, एंड थोड़ा सा गोल्डन ब्राउन कलर, ज्यादा नहीं करना हमने. And likewise, I'll put some, you know, let this go on for a quick bit. Okay, little bit of all this, and let this happen. In the meantime, I think the pasta is, ये पानी थोड़ा सा गर्म हो रहा है. अब मैं इसमें डालूंगा, बिकॉज अब ये मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें बॉयल्स आ रहे हैं, तो अगर जब बॉयल्स आने लगे तब आप पास्ता डालें इसमें, जिससे क्या होगा कि पास्ता विल स्टार्ट कुकिंग फास्टली, यू नो, फास्टर. एंड फेट्टूचीनी पास्ता का सबसे बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है कि कई लोग इसको एज पार्ट थाई नूडल से भी कंपेयर कर लेते हैं, बट एक्चुअल में है नहीं, बिकॉज दोनों का बेस बहुत डिफरेंट है. दैट इज इन अ राइस फ्लावर बेस एंड दिस इज इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट बेस ऑल टुगेदर, यू नो. सो इफ यू जस्ट हैपन टू लुक थ्रू दिस, ओके, लेट मी पुट इट अक्रॉस हियर. ओके, एंड लेट दिस बॉयल फॉर अ क्विक बिट. ओके, in the meantime, while my onions are, I'm just loving the aroma, because आप थोड़ा सा देखिए, जैसे ये अभी थोड़ा फ्लेवर इसमें इन्फ्यूज हो रहा है. इसमें अब I'll teach you the French way of doing it, that you know, whenever you start off, it's very important for you to actually have you know, the element of basically, you know, de-seeding this entire you know, your tomatoes basically. तो अगर आप देखें यहाँ पे, you know, what I'm doing is I am basically dividing this into two parts, जहाँ से ये इसका हम स्किन निकालना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज स्किन के बाद जो मेन टमाटो है उसमें एक्चुअल फ्लेवर है. So likewise, I have 3 tomatoes depending on the kind of portion I'm making right now. So use these 3 tomatoes, and along with that, if you see what I'm doing, and जैसे ये पास्ता बनने शुरू होएगा, इसके बाद हम इमीडिएटली डाल देंगे इसमें. एक मिनट. Okay, and on the side you'll just see, जैसे ये अभी पास्ता हो रहा है, okay, let this happen. Okay, and alongside we put a little bit of garlic, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये डायरेक्टली जाए उसमें. और यहाँ पे देखिए, अब जैसे हमने यहाँ पे आइस कोल्ड वाटर रखा हुआ है, कि जैसे ही मैं थोड़ा पास्ता को हटाऊंगा, पास्ता को हटाते ही मैं डायरेक्टली उसमें गरम पानी में मैं अपने टमाटोस डालूंगा, जिससे ये इमीडिएटली डीस्किन हो जाए. ठीक है, दैट इज समथिंग आई विल बी टीचिंग यू राइट नाउ. एंड इफ यू सी, माय अनियंस आर प्रीटी मच गेटिंग गोल्डन ब्राउन. आई पुट इन अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ गार्लिक टू दिस, एंड आई लेट दिस स्टे फॉर अ क्विक बिट, बिकॉज अब क्या है कि अभी अपने फ्लेवर्स इन्फ्यूज कर चुके हैं, तो अभी गर्म आंच पे पड़ा है. एंड इफ यू सी, ओके वेट, नाउ इफ यू सी, पास्ता गर्म हो रहा है, एंड इसी में व्हाइल दिस इज हैपनिंग, यू नो, यू कैन ऑलवेज ट्राई. ओके, वेट. ओके, नाउ लेट मी जस्ट चेक. देख रहे हैं आप कैसे पास्ता पूरा लूज हो रहा है? That is the whole idea. That's the consistency, you know, which you should be getting at all given points in time, because that's absolutely important. कि अगर पास्ता इस तरीके से अगर गर्म है, जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, now pick up any one strand out of this. एक स्ट्रैंड उठा लीजिए. अभी थोड़ा हार्ड है, तो ये आपको समझ में आएगा. ये हार्ड जब है, जब तक ये थोड़ा सा वार्म नहीं होता. al dente कॉन्सेप्ट है, which is very important for you to understand at all given points in time. And ये क्योंकि पानी बॉईल कर रहा है, 2 मिनट देते हैं. ओके, let this boil for the quick bit. But guys, in the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, because it's very important for me to answer all your questions. And like I said, the focus of rosa sauce would be essentially to tell you कि ये एक रेसिपी है, बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत ही फन है, and I would want you to make this with your family. But in the meantime, you have any questions, please let us know, because That's very important for us कि आपके जो queries हम उसको लेते रहे. And while I can see this is happening, I just want to take out a little bit of this, and I will again want to keep this inside my pasta bowl. Give me a minute. Let me take out this strand, and क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कई हद तक हो चुका है, इसको हम फिर से डाल देंगे बॉइलिंग में, बॉइल करने में फिर से डाल देंगे. But what is more important for me is to put the same tomatoes inside the boiling water for another 30 seconds. अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे, ये जैसे देखिए कैसे अभी बॉईल पे आएंगे ये इमीडिएटली. एंड सॉल्टेड वाटर इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. यू कैन पुट दिस ऑन सॉल्टेड वाटर बिकॉज सॉल्टेड वाटर रियली मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. क्योंकि इसमें से आपका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, आपका टोमेटो भी बिल्कुल सही से इसमें इन्फ्यूज हुए, इसका फ्लेवर थोड़ा सॉल्ट का. एंड इफ यू जस्ट सी, वी लीव इट फॉर 60 seconds in a pretty much. So we'll just wait for this. In the meantime, I think we are done. Let me just close this. Okay. Now that this is done, I will take this out. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, now that I have my tomatoes which are pretty much done, let me put this inside ice cold water. If you see, there's ice inside this, right? I put them immediately inside the ice water. अब इससे होता क्या है मैं आपको बताऊंगा अभी, ठीक है? एक मिनट, इसको let this be for a quick bit, and let me put my pasta back because I wanted the recipe to be to start happening by itself. Okay, sorry. Okay. Now if you see this, सबसे important चीज इस पूरे प्रोसेस का, अब आप देखेंगे कैसे ये डीस्किन हो रहा है. You see this? This is one of the most important French culinary technique, जिससे क्या होता है that हम लोग इसके अंदर की जो सीड्स हैं इसको डीसीड करेंगे, एंड सिर्फ जो प्योर टोमेटो है we'll be using that itself, because that's one of the most important elements to focus on as part of your as part of your requirement. Give me a minute quickly. Let me put this here. Okay. Now once I have done this, okay, let me use my let me use my knife to ideally cut this. Now if you see कितनी easily हो गया. अगर ये आप normally करना चाहते हैं ये नहीं होता. Okay, I basically divide this into two and I remove the seeds, because seeds में ऐसा flavor होता है जो आपके पूरी रेसिपी में सारनेस लेके आता है. तो ये de-seed कर रहा हूँ मैं, आप देख रहे हैं अगर. This de-seeding is very important process, guys, because ये एक authentic process है चीज को बनाने का, ना कि you do anything and everything, because that is not which will work out. And since it's Sunday and a fun day and we are all at home, I would recommend you guys to try this out, because this is one of the best things you can try during this particular point in time. Because pasta तो देखिए सबको पसंद आता है, चाहे आप हो चाहे anyone in your family. And I think with Amul's products, it only becomes better that way, because I think there's nobody else who makes better quality of items that way than Amul. Okay, now if you see, I'm pretty much done. I am removing the seeds. I'm removing the seeds from here. Okay, I think I pretty much de-seeded everything. अब मैंने ऐसे कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने इसको छोटे मैंने पीसेस कर दिए इसके. अगर आप देखेंगे मैं इसको रॉ काटूंगा, रॉ. आई एम कटिंग देम रॉ. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत सीड रह भी जाए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट ब्रॉड पॉइंट है कि ज्यादा नहीं रहना चाहिए. ओके, लेट मी okay, I think we are pretty much done. Let me put this back. Okay, let me put this in this one so that okay, and इसमें पूरा डाल के अब, if you just happen to see, what I'll do is after this I will put this immediately back into my pan, because there's a little small portion I'm making, right? हम जब catering करते हैं तो उसमें बहुत बड़े portions बनते हैं, but like I said, I'm used to basically larger portions. Okay, now that we are again back, my onion garlic is pretty much sauteed. I will just leave this for the next couple of seconds so that थोड़ा सा हमारा, in the process if you see, I am trying to mash my tomatoes further because you know it's very important for you to mash your tomatoes because इसमें इतना hidden flavor होता है जो जब तक हम ऐसे ठीक से ना करें तब तक हमें समझ में नहीं आएगा. Okay, beautiful. I'm loving the aromas there. Superb. Okay, okay, okay. Now let this happen. धीमी आंच पे जैसे मैंने बोला आपको. Okay, quickly. Now that that's happening in the process, and let's just wait for this to slightly melt. I'll just check on my pasta quickly, you know, just to check whether it's done or not. Now, if you see, this to a large extent is done because, to an extent, I'll just show you with a fork. Let me show it to you with a fork. Okay, give it to me with a fork. If you can idly take this out, okay, you can idly take this out, and we even take out any item, okay, and इसमें से you just need to check that ये आपके, okay, इससे कट हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. अभी जैसे नहीं हो रहा है कट तो इसको थोड़ी देर और चाहिए है बिकॉज सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ है आपका पास्ते अल दांते शेप में जिसमें आराम से कट पाए वो when a person is satiating on his palate. So let this boil for a quick bit. In the meantime we again go back to our tomato concasse. This is the actual recipe of tomato concasse, that you de-seed the tomatoes and that's how you do it. Now in the meantime while this is happening, I'm just wanting थोड़ा सा और raw, so थोड़ा सा और पक जाए, and in the meantime आपका पास्ता हो ही रहा है. Okay, interesting. Alongside, what you do is you put a little bit of more salt to this so that the process is gets expedited. थोड़ा सा देखिए, थोड़ा सा salt. पूरा salt का पूरा concept ही यही है कि salt increases the process and makes it faster than usual. And to this, what you do is you add a little bit of tomato puree. You know, little bit of tomato puree once you've done that, because I don't prefer, and this is from fresh tomatoes that way, right? Fresh tomatoes that way. अब इसको आप लेके इसको मैं okay. I put some black pepper on top, just to infuse the flavors better. बहुत टाइम बाद में किचन में आया हूँ because वही होता है that you know once you're busy with work, you know there's so much which is happening, but I just would again like to thank the entire team, the back end, who just got me back to the kitchen, because it's such a humbling process. I think food is one of the best aspects, and when you listen to these aromas, these sounds, there's so much peace you get. It's not even funny that way. And that's what is very important for all of us to understand and see. Now keep looking into that, because that's very important part of your thing. Now I think our pasta is pretty much done. If you just happen to see, I'll just take out one pasta from here, and give me a minute. Okay. Now once I bring it here, I check whether I can cut this directly from my hands or not. And if you see this is, yeah, so now we can cut this. So I think we're pretty much done with the pasta, and I'll just let this be in the bowl for a quick bit. And let me add a little bit of water to this, so that अब देखो reduction बन रही है, basically reduction. अब reduction को थोड़ा ठीक करने के लिए we put a little bit of oil and we start putting in our seasoning. Yep. And just to make that more flavorful, we add some almond butter, which is one of the best qualities of butter. Why I add this not in the starting and in the end is for a process, because इस स्टेज पे आकर उसका एक्चुअल पहले ऑलिव ऑयल का फ्लेवर जाएगा, उसके बाद बटर का जाएगा, तो दैट अरोमा स्टेज इनसाइड इट, दैट्स द होल ब्यूटी ऑफ इट. And that's my style, the way we do it. But you can use it even in the starting process. You can do it. I will again, once I'm doing the finishing of this particular recipe, I'll be doing that. I will again want to put a little bit of my vegetables. I put a lot of bell peppers here, so I'm putting some bell peppers on top. I'll be sauteing them. Okay. Independence Day है, थोड़ा सा तो रंग दिखना चाहिए है तीनों का. So there's a green, yellow. I mean, of course, the white is missing, but the white will just now be added in a bit. Okay, so let me just saute this for a quick bit. And again, with this I'm adding a little bit of oregano, or pizza seasoning, on top, because that's very important. Okay, and keep adding a little bit of water to this so that चिपके ना वो इससे. एंड ये आंच थोड़ी सी धीरे कर दें हम इसकी. ओके, एंड ओके ओके very interesting. Any questions, guys? Please feel free to ask us any questions you'd be having, because it's very important for us to take any questions which you would be having in the process. Okay. Now, little bit of so whenever you're making something, always make it a point to keep doing your tasting, because it's very important. Add a little bit of okay, give me a minute, let me use a spoon. Okay, let me just taste this. Absolutely well. I can taste the pungency of the tomatoes, the raw tomatoes without the seed. I can have a little bit of tomato puree, and most importantly the salt and pepper is just about fine, because that's very important, guys, whenever you make something of this sort. Okay, now that all of this is ready, okay, I quickly want to add a little bit of tomato puree so that we have more base. Again, this is from fresh tomatoes that way, because it's very important कि हमारा fresh tomatoes से हमारा थोड़ा base और solid हुए. And we let me put some white pepper as well as a little bit of salt to this. Okay, go ahead, guys. So I think with this our tomato concasse is pretty much ready, and the rosa sauce basically on top. And again, with this I add a little bit of butter so that the flavor remains infused, because क्या होता है ना, आप salt डाला, butter में भी salt होता है, but इससे क्या होता है, richness बढ़ जाती है चीज़ की, और कुछ नहीं है. Once I've done with all this, what I do is simply I add more seasoning on top, which is my oreganos. I put a little bit of basil, which is dried basil, what I'm using essentially of sorts, and I let this saute for a quick bit, because I think everyone somewhere or the other, we don't like it the authentic way. We have to make it certain style, which is very 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 important. And once I'm done with all of this, what I do is I quickly add the best and the most important ingredient to this, which will be a finish to my rosa sauce, which is a little bit of hint of cream into this. Now a little bit of cream. Okay, now you'll see that with the tomato concasse base, once you mix the cream in it, this becomes a rosa sauce. Little bit, just so that the consistency is there. With a little bit of water to this, little bit of water. Okay, and you just let this saute, because then after that I'll just add my pasta quickly to this. And if you see that there's a beautiful emulsion which happens, which gives it the rosa, and this is like the authentic style of doing it. A lot of people call it pink sauce, but pink sauce is different, but like I said, it's a very unique, very fun recipe, and anyone can make it at home. And that's what the objective is, that we make recipes which are, and you look at the color, concept is that rosa sauce. The concept is pretty much that the color should come out really well, and it's a brown, it's an orangish color, and that's the beauty of it, right? So now what I'll do is I'll just take out my pasta in a bowl and wait. Okay, let me take out my pasta, and because it's drained already, let me put that directly into. Okay, now that it's drained, let me put that directly into my pan. Okay. तो स्पेगेटी का स्टाइल बनाने का बहुत अलग होता है, फेट्यूचिनी का उससे भी अलग होता है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट इजीली सीन इन मार्केट्स, बिकॉज फेट्यूचिनी में कई लोग पीपल आर नॉट रियली अवेयर. नाउ इफ यू जस्ट लेट दिस just toss in between, yeah, that's it. A lot of people try and mix it too much, but आपका उसमें पास्ता टूटेगा, which I don't want, because the idea is that it should be covered properly. That's the overall focus, right? Okay. Now that all of this is done, and I am done with pretty much everything, let me just always as a process, let me just check the sauce. Absolutely fine, guys. Absolutely fine. Like I said, it is not very creamy, but at the same time, it has that pungence of tomato base, which is very important for you to come up with any recipe of sauce. So with this, what we pretty much are doing, we come on to, okay, now that we are done with all of this, we come on to how do we plate this recipe, because this is very important. And what I'll be doing after this is that once I'm done with this part, I will quickly walk on to my plating, my actual plate, and let me take a quick fork. Let me use a fork. Okay. Let me take this fork of sauce, and if you just happen to see, okay, let me put this properly here. Let me show it to you the way I'm doing it. And okay, you can put okay, now that this is done, my pan is empty, I will just toss it quickly inside so that the base is not very prominent. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, now that I've kept it on the side, I will take out my another dusting cloth and just clean my plate properly. Okay, I'll put a little bit of Thousand Island sauce to this, because that's very important. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay. We just put a little bit of my Thousand Island sauce on top. Okay. Okay, let me just put that quickly. Okay, I'll just put that on top, and I will just quickly smash this in the best possible manner so that there is an element, and at the same time we'll try doing a little bit on the side with सबसे important चीज़ है आज ये है. And okay, I think with that, give me a minute, I'm pretty much done. That's an Independence Day special pasta. I have a quick garnish. I would love to do that, but I can't find it quickly. So in the meantime, let it be. I think thank you so much, guys. I think I've really had a great time doing this with you. And if you like this, please do like the page of Amul and do subscribe to them. Thank you so much again to Amul for giving us this opportunity, because as a catering company, it's our focused and our endeavor towards doing nothing but the best in everything which we are doing. And with that, I'm pretty much done. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at Night Gourmet page. And thank you so much again for making us do this. And I'm done. If you have any questions, I'll just keep the window open for another 20 seconds and take it forward, or otherwise we call it a day. I hope this looks appealing to you in that way. Okay, done. I think, it's been a great session doing it with you. I will call it a day, and thank you so much again for doing this session with me. Thank you so much.